Up next in the agitation on the upside down Mohawk medium pile carpet, we have a 70s Hoover Convertible U4007. This obviously has a very serious brush roll, or so it seems. It's followed up with actually very soft bristles. They are not stiff. So let's see what this does for agitation. Will this beat a Centria 2 with the stiff oblique brush roll? You're certainly going to be able to hear it when I turn it on. So it certainly did agitate, but it was nowhere near the newer machines. So I suppose I was a little surprised about that. But then again, it's a different type of agitation. It still agitates, but you see, I had to get very, very close via the measuring tape to get these particles to move at all. In fact, I had to get so close, it started sucking up some of the sand rather than bouncing it a whole lot back down through the carpet. So this one really only gets kind of a medium grade as far as agitation. It certainly agitates, but it's nowhere near the Kirby oblique brush roll with the stiff bristles. What do you think? Thanks for watching.